What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to connect your phone to a 2013 Ford Escape using the Bluetooth. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into our phone's settings menu, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now if we take a look at our radio, I'm starting from the home screen. And you can see right here it says Add Phone. Go ahead and click that.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Pull up our phone, and as you heard the voice in the vehicle saying there, go ahead and click Sync under the available devices.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
As she said, we want to make sure that this pin number here matches this pin number here, which it does. So we'll click Yes, and then we'll go to our phone and click Pair. And that's it. This is just asking us if we want to give it access to our contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now. But now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it.